In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change the always-on display clock style on a Samsung phone. The always-on display feature shows important information like the time, date, and notifications while your phone screen is off. Customizing the clock style can give your phone a fresh look and make it more personal. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Lock Screen and AOD. Tap on it. So the thing is that the clock on your always-on display is linked to your lock screen clock. This means that if you want to change the always-on display clock, you need to first change the lock screen clock. To do that, scroll down a bit and tap where it says Edit Lock Screen. And then tap on the clock. You will see a variety of clock styles to choose from. Each style looks different and can give your phone a fresh look. Simply tap on any clock style that you like to select it. You can also personalize your chosen clock style even more by changing its color and font. After selecting your preferred clock style, make sure to save your changes by tapping on the Done button at the top right corner. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.